Welcome to Medicare for All Explained. This podcast will enlighten our listeners and dispel the distortions that surround Medicare for All. Medicare for All Explained is produced in collaboration with Physicians for a National Health Program and is hosted and produced by Joe Sparks. I'm your host, Joe Sparks. This is episode 118, The Murders Not Being Discussed in the Healthcare Debate. On the morning of December 4th, United Healthcare Chief Executive Officer Brian Thompson was shot and killed. The suspect in the Thompson's murder, Luigi Mangione, was arrested and charged with murder. Normally, you would think that people would be thrilled that an alleged murderer had been caught. However, something unusual happened. People showed strong support and sympathy for Mangione. In fact, some people considered Mangione a hero and said that his actions were justifiable. Now, just to be clear, murder is never justified. So why did people sympathize with Mangione, and why did some people justify his actions? It's due to our healthcare system. People are so disgusted with the expense, care denials, and other aspects of the U.S. healthcare system that it evokes strong sympathy for someone who is willing to make an executive pay for the crappy system supported by health insurance executives. And while I don't condone murder, I do understand how someone could be angry about our healthcare system. One aspect of our lousy healthcare system that I think is not well known and certainly does not get discussed enough is that we allow more than 76,000 murders to occur every year because people can't afford to pay for treatment and medications. I am purposely using the term murder and not death, because when you can fix the problem that causes so many people to die and don't, that is murder, in my opinion. This carnage exceeds the death toll from guns, which caused more than 48,000 deaths in 2022. What is even more disgusting about the 76,000 unnecessary murders is that we know how to solve the problem: Medicare for all. Until we have Medicare for all, when appropriate, we need to start criminally charging and prosecuting executives of health insurance companies with murder. It would make health insurance executives think twice before denying care. However, if we want to solve the myriad of other problems with our healthcare system, we need Medicare for all. Thank you for listening. You have been listening to Medicare for All Explained. Remember to tell your family, friends, and colleagues about this podcast. Information about Medicare for All Explained can be found at our website, medicareforallexplained.org. The music for this show is Super Bubbly by Jesse Spillane. The logo was created by Lily Sparks. Thank you for listening.